That Time Check was brought to you by PCSO. PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong.
One last time, spend an unforgettable evening with six-time Grammy winner and legendary music icon Dionne Warwick, together with her full five-piece live band.
I say a little prayer for
Friday,
you.
January 24 at the New Frontier Theater, performing her greatest hits and favorite songs. Tickets now on sale at ticketnet.com.ph and Ticketnet outlets. Dionne Warwick, One Last Time, presented by Will Bros Live.
White rose papaya, yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka in 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka, white rose papaya, yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Abangan ang programang PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. Bagong Pilipinas ang panalo sa kawang-gawa at serbisyo. Halina at sabay-sabay nating abangan ang programang handang umalalay at magbigay tulong sa bawat Pilipino. Hatid ay serbisyong publiko mula sa Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office. Ito ang PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong. Ang karamay mo sa bawat laban ng buhay. Tuwing Lunes, alas 11 hanggang alas 11:30 ng umaga. Mapapanood din sa pamamagitan ng Facebook Live, YouTube Live ng DZXL at sa Signal Channel 309. PCSO, hindi umuurong sa pagtulong.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, malikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon.
All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Samson Plus Herbal Capsule.
Ako si Roy, taga Santa Rosa, Laguna. Malabo yung mata ko. Sabi ng doktor, may glaucoma daw ako. Pero tinry kong uminom ng Santon Plus Herbal Capsule. Inaraw-araw ko, nawala yung glaucoma. Nabis talaga yung Santon Plus Herbal Capsule.
Samson Plus. Sa mga butika.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan. Bright bar blue.
Pride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, mancha. Hello, bright bar blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Sa kabila ng ingay at kalituhan sa mundo, sa gitna ng mga panahon ng kawalan ng katiyakan, sabi niya, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be honored by every nation. I will be honored throughout the world." Psalms 46:10. Repent. Turn to Jesus today. He is the only way to heaven. Brought to you by MX3.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo, plato at kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Pahit para walang bahid, linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to! Tanggaling-galing mo! Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
ACS.
Halina't umasenso sa Balitang Land Bank. Hatid sa inyo ng Land Bank. Your future powered by Land Bank.
DCXL 558. DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.